You're listening to World Without Walls MSM. This is Cultural Mediation 101 podcast series, episode 1. The doctor's appointment, a fast, realistic clinic scene. The mediator manages turn-taking, clarifies politely, and keeps everyone aligned. No long lectures during the visit. A 60-second note plus tiny homework closes the episode.
Good morning. I'm Adam, your interpreter today. I'll interpret everything in the first person. Please speak to each other, one at a time. What you say is confidential.
Buongiorno, piacere.
Dr. Rossi says hello and welcome.
Thank you, doctor.
Possiamo cominciare. Motivo della visita?
What brings you in today?
Lower stomach pain since yesterday. Sharp, then dull.
Dolore al basso ventre da ieri, a volte acuto, a volte sordo.
Su una scala da 0 a 10.
On a scale of 0 to 10. How strong is the pain?
It was an 8 last night. Now it's a 4.
8 ieri notte, ora 4.
Febbre, nausea, farmaci.
Any fever, nausea, or medication?
A little nausea. No fever. I took ibuprofen at 6 a.m.
Un po' di nausea, niente febbre. Ibuprofene alle 6.
Mangia regolarmente. Ultimo pasto.
Do you eat regularly? When was your last meal?
Toast at 7. Coffee at 9.
Toast alle 7. Caffè alle 9.
Ciclo regolare. Possibile gravidanza.
Is your period regular? Any chance you could be pregnant?
Period started 3 days ago. Not pregnant.
Ciclo iniziato 3 giorni fa. Non incinta.
Bene. Esame obiettivo addome.
Mediator to patient.
The doctor will examine your abdomen now.
Examination consent?
Le premo qui. Dolore.
I'm pressing here. Any pain?
A little on the right side.
Un po' a destra.
Serve un'ecografia addominale. Consenso.
He recommends an abdominal ultrasound. Do you consent?
Yes, if it helps us understand.
Consente all'ecografia.
Bene. Anche analisi del sangue.
Blood test too?
Chiede conferma del prelievo.
Sì. Emocromo. Markers infiammatori.
Yes. Complete blood count and inflammation markers.
Tests, fasting and follow-up.
Per gli esami di domani, a digiuno da 8 ore.
A digiuno means fasting, not do it fast, right?
Correct. No food or drink except water for 8 hours before the test.
Esatto. Solo acqua.
After the ultrasound, can I go to work?
Dopo l'eco può andare al lavoro?
Sì, normale attività.
Yes, you can return to normal activity.
Se peggiora, febbre, vomito, dolore forte. Pronto soccorso.
If symptoms get worse, fever, vomiting, strong pain, go to the emergency room.
How do I book the ultrasound?
Come? Prenota.
Coop al piano terra. Oggi stesso.
At the ground floor desk today.
Quick recap.
Let's do a quick check. Could you repeat the plan in your own words?
Sure. Today, book the ultrasound. Tomorrow morning blood test. Fasting 8 hours, only water. If pain gets worse or I get a fever, I go to the ER. Otherwise, follow up after results.
Riassume correttamente.
Perfetto. Ci vediamo con i risultati.
Core phrases the mediator used. I'll interpret in the first person. Please speak to each other. On a scale of 0 to 10, do you consent to? Fasting. No food or drink except water for 8 hours. If symptoms worsen, go to the emergency room. Micro skills you heard. Turn-taking setup, short chunks, neutral tone, quick recast, fasting versus fast. Teach back, patient repeats plan to confirm understanding, mini practice. Think of another word for do you accept? Don't eat or drink water. Become worse. See suggested answers in the notes below. Feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and suggest topics for our next episodes.